In this really short video, I'm going to explain how to work with the task doc and the priority doc. So basically, there are two important docs. One is detailing the task that needs to be done, and the other one is listing by priorities on what task to work first. As you can see, you're first working on point 51 in the doc, which is the explore page. Then the second milestone starts with task number 10. I'll briefly explain it in a second. So how to work with the tasks doc. Everything that we do, me and Daniel, we are simply double clicking on the task. This little pop-up is showing up on the document, and we're simply adding a comment. So if you or any one of us is completing a task, I simply ask you to write here done. This way, and hit comment. This way I would know that you have completed a certain task, and I could easily go over the notification. Like every time that you are adding a comment, I'm getting here a notification, and it's easy for me to briefly skim through the done comments and see what was done and simply approve it. So how are you going to work with this document? As you can see, each one of the points has a number, and these are the numbers that are being stated here. So for example, if now you're going to start with, right now you're working on point number 51, which is the explore page, and the second milestone is going to start with point number 10. So you're going to this page, down to point number 10, and here you go. You can see point number 10. In many of the tasks, we have screenshots that illustrate what is the issue and how to replicate it. So in the priority document, you don't have to write anything. You just go over the document and do it and performing, fixing, developing the task according to the list that is here. Sometimes we might switch between points. So every time that you are going to start a new point, go to the priority and status task and just see what is the next task to be performed. So you don't have to write here anything, just follow the order from up to bottom. Okay. One another comment that was important for me to stress. To some of the points, Daniel and I are going to do ourselves. So if you see that we marked a point as done, of course you don't have to do that because it's already marked as done. But if you're completing a task, click here and write simply done. So point number 10, need to improve search. For example, I was searching for content automation and I got a translation service, which is not what I was searching for. Very simple. I'm going here, app ranker, writing here, for example, content automation. And you see the results that I'm getting here are not the right results. So the task here is to find a way to make the search work and find the real result as per user query, like as per whatever the user was searching for. Of course, this is only just one example. I'll give you another example, but there are many more. I was searching for copy, whatever, writing. So this is right, and this is wrong. This is not relevant to the search query that the user was searching for. So I think that's about it. Thank you very much for your time.